Hi, I'm Todd from Langley, British Columbia. We received this Vermont Castings 700 square inch pellet barbecue in mid-March, and we've been testing it ever since. It has given our barbecuing a different flavor, essentially. We've tried various types of pellets and different flavors, and it gives a nice unique flavor to our food. We've tried beer can chickens, hams, steaks, the typical stuff, and it does a very good job at smoking it all and adding a good flavor. We're also demonstrating or testing out the Vermont Castings heated blanket, which insulates the barbecue in our nice West Coast weather and provides a good keeps the temperature maintained for smoking at low temperatures. If you can have a look in here and see, we have 2 beer can chickens and some potatoes and onions roasting. We very much enjoy this product and feel it gives a good value for the dollar. Thank you.